Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my BoxyCharm unboxing. So we're in my office and my man is trying to print something and the printer keeps going wacky. So we're doing my BoxyCharm unboxing today. For those of you who are unaware of what BoxyCharm is, it is a $21 a month subscription service for 5 full-size makeup products. I did kind of sneak into this box. I do know what's in it. I was kind of excited to get one particular product that I did not get. My mother did though, so she said that she's going to give it to me. I'm gonna spoil this for you a little bit. I'm not super excited about this box. Like, there are a couple things in it that I am excited for, but other than that, like, I'm not super excited. I have been subscribed to BoxyCharm for just over a year now. I do get my subscriptions for a year at a time, so my boxes are a little bit less expensive. They're about $19.25 a piece instead of $21. And it comes to me every single month. I am also subscribed to the Boxy Luxe box, so I get that 4 times a year. It is $28.99 extra, so $49.99 for that box. I loved the first one, and I've seen some sneak peeks for the second one, so I'm super excited about that. BoxyCharm is my favorite subscription service. I can't see myself canceling it anytime soon. Let's jump into this box and see what we have. When you open the box, this is what you see. A big, foam thing, and then a little pamphlet that tells you everything about the products that you're receiving in it. I'm not going to look at this right yet. We're just going to dive into what's in the box. The first thing I see is this. This is the Ahava Active Dead Sea Minerals, Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream, and I have to tell you, this is one of the items I'm not super excited about. Like, it's a hand cream. Cool, BoxyCharm. Cool beans. And you can't quite see through it, but I do know that when I take the lid off and squeeze it just a smidge, like, it's not completely full because I can get like pretty flat down here before it actually starts spitting product out of it. I just am not excited about this item. It also is 1.3 fluid ounces. I'm pretty sure this is not full size. This is probably a travel size item. Awesome. Typically when we have received travel size items in the past, we've received like 6 items instead of 5. But looking in my box, I only see 5. So in addition to this travel size item, I also got this travel size item. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask for your hair. And we all know that I am not, incredibly crazy about hair products, but let's spray some of this in here maybe. It smells good. I don't really necessarily think that it's a horrible item, but I do know it smells really good. That much I will say. I will go ahead and try it. I do love Briogeo as a brand. They have got my favorite, this Don't Despair Repair deep conditioning mask for your hair or deep conditioner, whatever it is a product that I stand by wholeheartedly. When we swim during the summer, it does wonderful things to repair my hair. But the whole purpose of being subscribed to BoxyCharm is full-size items. So the fact that I have 2 deluxe sample size or travel size items in my box is a little disheartening. The next thing I have in here is something everybody got. It is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and I do love this mascara. I just purchased a full size for myself not that long ago. So this is going to go into my backups drawer or into a giveaway. I'm not quite certain what I'm going to do with it at this point in time. I do have quite a few mascaras that are in my backups drawer right now. I might take one a different one out and put it into the giveaway, but I'm not going to open this right now. I will tell you that it is a pretty phenomenal mascara. I do love It Cosmetics as a brand, and I do love the Superhero liner is one of my favorite liners as far as eyeliners go, and that Superhero mascara is a really decent mascara. It is kind of a wet formula though, so I do find that it finds its way down onto my cheekbones, which is awful. So I wear it, I just wear it sparingly, and it's not my favorite. It is a good mascara though. The next thing in here is also something everybody got, only in different colors. I got the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and I did get it in the shade Bow and Arrow. I have heard that this is a pretty amazing shade. It appears to be very brown. On the pictures, it looked a little more pink, but this is definitely a brown shade. I know that some people, wow, that is pretty brown. I know that some people were super excited about this shade, so I'm willing to give it a try. Right now I have on a pretty pink shade, so I'm not gonna try this on right now. I have never tried the Kat Von D liquid lipstick formula. I do have some of her bullet lipsticks, and I really do like them. I was really hoping for a Lolita. Lolita is the color my mother got, so, and she's not fond of it, so I will be getting that, as well as this Bow and Arrow. So I'm super excited to try her formula of liquid lipsticks. I've heard that they're pretty great, so I'm really not complaining about that. I just always tend to get the brown shades in Boxy, and I'm not sure why. The next thing we have here is this, another item that everybody was receiving. It is the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. The packaging looks like this. I'm really kind of excited because, as well as getting like 4 face items, you're getting 6 eye products in here, and I'm really not mad at this. What I have to say about this palette is that Pure and I have a pretty love-hate relationship. Not Pure and I. Myself with Pure products have a love-hate relationship. Some of their products I really, really, really love, and some of their products they just don't work for me. So I'm excited to try this. My daughter has laid claim to it if I do not like it. So this is what the exterior of the packaging looks like, and this is what the interior looks like. Sorry about the glare. There is a mirror and some face products here and some eye products here. The eye products do look very pretty. Those are the eye colors. I really am interested in this color here. That is a really pretty like chartreuse color, and this color here seems like a really pretty purple. I really kind of dig those colors. Those are really nice. It looks like you get one matte. This brown here is the only matte, and then the rest are like shimmer glittery shades. This purple looks like it has quite a bit of glitter in it, and this color also looks like it has quite a bit of glitter in it. Sorry about that bright shining light with that mirror there. Sorry guys. But in addition to those, you also get these 4 face colors, and all of those are matte. So you could go in with this, well, actually that might not be matte. You could go in with this color or this color as like your transition shade, just to lay down a transition if you wanted to, but those are some pretty colors as well. So I'm really not mad at the palette. I am anxious to try it out. I would be interested to see if this one works for me. It seems like it's very hit or miss with me with the Pure products that we receive in Boxy. I loved the Pure and Boxy collab palette that we received, but the Pure palette before that, what was that? Soiree Diaries. Could not stand it. I liked the Pure lashes that we received. I also liked the Pure contour palette that we received, or face palette that we received once, but there is quite a few of the Pure items that we've received that I have not enjoyed very much on my face. So let's go into this guy here and find out how much this box is worth. I cannot imagine it's worth very much, and that's, you know, disheartening, whatever. So you open up the pamphlet and you have this. This is what their logo or theme was this month. It is the alter ego. I don't really see that any of these products kind of ring true for this theme to me, but that's been the case over the last several months. So we have the IT Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Volume Mascara. This guy retails for $24. I do know that to be true because I purchased it myself. So it is a $24 mascara. It says wrap your lashes in lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. The elastic stretch technology and ultra black tint make this the thickest and most defined lashes ever. I really do enjoy the IT Cosmetics Superhero mascara. I think it's a good mascara. So this Ahava mineral hand cream. Treat your hands to a light but luxurious rich hand cream that helps keep skin and cuticles healthy and protected from the elements. Formulated for daily use, this hand cream is made with nutrient-rich Dead Sea water and smoothing witch hazel to elevate and lock in skin's natural moisture. Its retail value is $10. I have to imagine it's $10 for this 1.3 fluid ounces because that is what they sent me. I'll go online and check while I'm editing this video and see if that is indeed the cost of that or the cost of the full size and what the full size item is. Then we have the Pure Complexion Midnight Masquerade palette. This 10-piece face palette will take any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. This limited edition palette is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly onto the face and eyelid for a look you'll totally adore. Making a bold statement has never been easier. This guy retails for $38. That's another thing. Like, $38 is not bad for a full face palette. You get 6 shades for your eyes, you get 4 for your face. I don't think that that's a bad price. I don't think I'd pay it, though, for this particular palette. Simply because of my relationship with Pure, not because it's a bad palette. It's a decent price, though. This Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. This guy retails for $20. This was one of like 6 or 7 shades, maybe 9 shades. I can't remember. There were quite a few shades that went out, and this was just one of them. Again, it is in the shade of Bow and Arrow, and it retails for $20, which is decent for a liquid lipstick. Most liquid lipsticks, high-end, will range in price from like $18 to $24, so $20 is not bad. And then we have the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. This guy's retail value is $16, and again, I wonder if that is for this 2-ounce container or if it is for the full-size container. I will have to check, but I do know that the full-size container of the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Hair Conditioner that I use, that retails for $30, so, and it's just in a 4-ounce tube. So this is probably the exact price of this. It says the super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner provides repair benefits and beyond. Its unique formulation of micro-encapsulating argan oil, an optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include B vitamins, coconut oil, algae, biotin, helps promote healthier hair that will leave you feeling at your best. So it retails for $16. So the total value of this box is $108. So this is the second box I've received from Boxy that has a relatively low retail value. With that being said, I am only paying $19.25 for a box that's worth $108. That's really cool to me. It would be better to me if they were items that I would use. These two items, in my opinion, are, you know, I mean, for a beauty box, these are not items that I want to be receiving in a beauty box. Like especially when I'm expecting 5 full-size items. I didn't even get 4 full-size items in this box. I got 3 full-size items in this box. Like, I wouldn't have even been mad at one of them showing up in the box if I had gotten a 4th full-size item. Like, I'm really not complaining. I'm really not. I know it sounds like I am, but I'm not. BoxyCharm is still my favorite box. It is still one that I can, you know, count on to have some pretty amazing products in it. But, like I said, the website says 4 to 5 full-size items. I expect at least 4 full-size items, and I got 3. So, what did you guys get in your BoxyCharm? Did you enjoy your BoxyCharm? I know that there were some other items that were supposed to come out, like a face mask, the pharmacy cleanser. I would have loved to have gotten. Like I said, my mom did get some of the items that I wanted, and she's giving them to me. She doesn't have to do that. I think it's very fair. I mean, very awesome of her to do that, because she definitely doesn't have to. I would love to hear what you guys received in your BoxyCharm. Sorry if this is kind of an anticlimactic video. It kind of is. I'm really disappointed in this box. I feel like this is probably the first box from BoxyCharm that I probably could have done without. And if I was not a monthly subscriber or a yearly subscriber and this was my first BoxyCharm, I might be inclined to cancel just because I don't feel like this box is worth it for me. Yes, it's worth it. The mascara alone pays for the box, but that is literally the only product in this box that I was super excited about receiving. The Kat Von D liquid lipstick I'm excited for simply because I have not tried the formulation yet, and I'm interested in trying that formula. But the color of it is like not my favorite. Like I said, if this had been my first box and I was a monthly subscriber, I might have been inclined to cancel. So, with that being said, that is all I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It really does help me and my content and figuring out what I'm doing for you in the future. And I hope to see you in the comments section, because I really would like to know what you received in your BoxyCharm this month, and if you've tried any of these products and know them to be fantastic, please let me know. Also, I hope that you'll want to subscribe on your way out. I release content 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday or Sunday, depending on my work week. I know that this last couple weeks at work has been pretty freaking crazy, and I know that coming into the holiday season is going to continue to be pretty freaking crazy. So you might see my videos going up Monday, Wednesday, and Sunday more often than Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but I really am trying to keep ahead of the, you know, filming game for you so that I can get my content up pretty regularly on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you guys have a fabulous day, and bye guys. See you next time.